Believe it or not, this is take 14. This is Earl Atkins doing a how-to video on how to take care of your outdoor teak furniture. And you can go to teakclean.com or teakcaredvd.com. That's for the video version. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do, we're going to have to open up the pores of the wood of the teak. And we do that by taking a garden hose and soaking everything down very good. Pre-soak everything that you need to do. We have red-tailed hawks back there making a lot of noise. This is a product called Simple Green. You can get any hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot. You can buy it by the gallons, which I do. You mix this 1 part warm water to 1 part Simple Green. That's for newer type furniture. If it's really old, really worn out, and you haven't taken care of it in a while, you use spray it on straight. You know, just spray it on, let it sit there for 5 minutes, soak in. It does its little job of getting in the pores of wood and starts lifting up the dirt. You want to use a scrub brush, a soft scrub brush, not a hard brush. Soft, I mean, you rub it against your face, it doesn't scratch you. You go with the grain of the wood. Go with the grain of the wood at all times. And you hose, you can see the dirt starting to lift up, then you hose that off. Just work a little bit at a time. After you've done that, you got to let the teak wood dry out. So that's probably the next day. Or maybe if you do it first thing in the morning, you can catch it later on that day, you know, in the evening before it gets dark. But it's a 2-day job, so it's going to take you a while. The product I like to use is a Cabot. Cabot Australian timber oil. On the bottom there, it says natural. It also comes in a flame. The flame is a coloring agent. It turns your teak furniture a reddish type color. You don't want that. You want this one here. Also, if you have an Ipe deck, IPE deck, Ipe wood, I use this on Ipe decks. It gives a natural look. If a homeowner has already put this on Ipe deck and it has flame, I walk away. It's just too much. You can't strip it out. It's too tough. You want to have at least a 1 gallon plastic bucket. And only fill this up 1/4 full. You know, it makes it easier to work with, so you don't make a mess out of everything. A 4-inch scrub brush. And you only dip this in the product the top 3/4 inches. This is a sponge brush, and just like a bounty towel, if you stick it too far down there, the whole brush gets soaked. And this would be no good in 30 minutes. So you need at least 6 of these, 6 to 10 of these if you have a big set of furniture. And the thing about teak furniture, the grain of the wood is very, very tight. So you're not going to get a lot of product into the pores of the woods. It's going to be oozing out. And when you got too much sitting on top, you do 1 board at a time, you go with the grain, you wipe it up with a white rag. You just, you know, the excess, just wipe it on up. The other precautions I can tell you about it, don't do it in direct sunlight. It'll burn into the wood. You know, wait for the morning like this. Is a nice early morning. Sorry about the little glow on the back there, but crickets and everything are... Underneath the teak furniture, you want to have a tarp, newspapers, a piece of plastic so it doesn't drip. You're going to have little spots on your deck. Even if you do it out in the yard, still try to cover it up. Other than that, you know, the PDF file, the ebook to take care of you. Read that. This is a little bit of information I showed you. If you really don't think you have the confidence to do it, just go to Teak Care DVD and get purchase the DVD. It's a lot cheaper than hiring a guy like me. And if you got a kid, need some side business, do teak furniture, that'd be a nice little side business. All right, this is Earl Atkins, teakclean.com. I hope you're having a good day. See you.